Hi there, thank you for watching, and welcome to another customer case study. This story talks about how Precision Toolmaker Greg Nuspel earned 2 professional designations after completing 3 of Javelin's training courses within a few months. Greg is an instrument toolmaker for the NRC. Working out of Victoria, BC, he is part of a team of advanced machinists who build components for Canadian and international scientists and astronomers. Their work involves precision machining to tolerance of 3 microns. Finished instruments are shipped around the world to the sites of massive optical and radio telescopes, such as the Twin Gemini telescopes in Chile and Hawaii, or the Dominion Radio Astrophysical Observatory in Penticton, BC. Although Greg has been using SolidWorks for the past 20 years, he knew that he could increase productivity and make his life easier by taking training, which is why his employer supported him with taking the time to upgrade his skills. SolidWorks continuously evolves with hundreds of new features added each year, so no matter how long one has been using SolidWorks, there's always something new to learn. Greg participated in 3 of Javelin's live online training options for SolidWorks users. These courses are Essentials, Drawings, and Assembly Modeling, and promptly after finishing his training, he tested and gained his CSWP and CSWP for advanced drawing tools. Greg said, "I now use tools I didn't know existed. I used to work through several menus to get certain functions, and now I know the keyboard shortcuts that eliminate those steps." He also learned how to automate repetitive tasks related to components he uses every day. So the courses are well organized and structured to adult learning, which is about making sure we know why the content is important. The Javelin manuals are excellent and easy to work through as well. What was the experience like for online courses? It takes a little more effort to provide personalization in the online environment. Greg reported that he was a little hesitant at first asking his questions, but he and the rest of the trainees quickly became more relaxed, and eventually they were able to replicate some of the peer-to-peer exchanges that happen in the classroom. So because of the skills and confidence Greg has gained from the training and certifications, he has become much more efficient in completing fixture designs. Also, the engineering team can offload other tasks of detailing drawings to him. Certified users have more confidence in themselves and updated knowledge for completing tasks efficiently. Having certifications also instills confidence in employers and coworkers, knowing that their team is qualified and capable. If you want to get the most out of your team and software, reach out to us and we'll find the right solutions with you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll see ya.